Video 3, Unit 10. Assalamu alaikum, my dear all students. Today, I am going to discuss Unit number 10, The Naughty Monkey. Let's read the objectives of this lesson. As you can see, the learning objectives that will be attained at the end of this lesson are: select and use of a mind map to organize ideas for writing. Pronounce weak forms of and, but, and, or in simple phrases or sentences. While reading to locate, scan specific information to answer short questions. So let's start. As you can see, students, on page number 99, look at the pictures and read the sentences. Note the use of prepositions. Before going to discuss the picture, I want to explain you what are prepositions. Do you have any idea what are prepositions? What are prepositions? What are the functions of prepositions? Yes? Can anyone think? Let me tell you. It explains the relationship, tells the relationship between two words. A relationship between two words. It explains it shows the direction of time, place, location. So these are the forms of prepositions, like above, below, to, behind, between. These are the few examples of prepositions. Actually, it links the two words, and the most important, it defines the direction of any word thing, of a noun like time, place, and any duration, any intensity, or any location of a given word or a given noun. So let's start with this. Look at the pictures and read the sentences. Note the use of prepositions. Look at page number 99, students. The lake is between the two trees. Between is a preposition. It defines the direction that the lake is between the location. The mountains are behind the family. Like these define that direction that it is behind that family. The family is standing in front of the camp. In front is a preposition. The boys are standing next to the camp. To. The use of to, it links with the two words. The clouds are above the mountains. Obviously, this show the above shows the direction, the position. So it is also a preposition. So let's move, students. Look at this picture. Write two sentences to describe the picture. As you all can see on page number 100, there is a picture. Please describe this picture. How you can describe this picture? Please. Yes. Think. The picture shows that some kind of a picnic is happening here. Yes. The family enjoying. A picnic. Because we need to write two sentences. So one more. What they are doing? They are eating food. They are eating food. And you may add more words, more sentences, whatever you are saying in this picture, predicting in this picture. So it's up to your understanding. So let's move. This is all about this one, and let's move to the comprehension part. I'm going to erase that one. Students, you can see that there are a few questions on the basis of the context that are already given in the unit number 10. We already have a knowledge, we already know what the chapter of the naughty monkey is about. So now we are in a condition to answer these questions. I'm gonna write these answers, but please do write in your own words, in simple words. Try to write always in a simple word, so it's very easy to make more words and more sentences meaningful. So it's one step to try with obviously with the easy one word. So answers these questions. Number one, who was mischievous? Obviously the monkey. Answer number one, the monkey. Number two, what did the juggler do to help the villagers? What did? Obviously the juggler do to help the villagers? Obviously they want to get rid of that monkey. They promise to help them and want to and get rid them from the monkey. They promised to help them to get rid of that monkey. And you may also write here the what he did. He did that he asked the villagers to bring some jars with narrow necks. Then he placed some peanuts inside the jar. Then what happened? The mischievous monkey hands got stuck inside the jar and there the juggler caught the monkey. I just have written for your help. You may precise this question answer according to your requirement. This is the whole process that what way here the juggler caught the monkey. So this is now move to the third one question. Why wasn't the monkey able to escape? Can anyone tell me? Why the monkey wouldn't able to escape from the? Because his hands got stuck in the necks of the jars. The monkey wouldn't able to escape because his hands got stuck inside the neck of the jars. The monkey weren't able to escape because his hands got stuck inside the neck of the jar. So these are the three questions. Let's move to the fourth question. What lesson did you learn from the story? I already have explained you, but now you please try. What the moral lesson did you get from this story? Did you have any idea? Think about it, write some few sentences. I'm gonna write for you, but please do think and write your views according to your understanding of the story in simple sentences. I'm gonna write this answer. The moral of the story gives us very important things. The most important one, please do not do bad actions. Do not do bad actions. And the most important thing, students, do not harm other people and harm other people. The most important thing we also have learned from this story, but please do not pollute natural environment. Do not pollute natural environment. Number three is that do not be so careless and restless. And do not be careless and restless. And the one to apologize, obviously, that is very important. Apologize for your mistakes. Whenever you are doing something wrong, please apologize for your mistakes. And do not annoy others and do always good. There are so many moral lessons that you may get from this story. There are just few morals that I have found from this, but according to your understanding, you may add more moral lessons according to your understanding. So here I'm again repeating that one: do not do bad actions and harm other people, do not pollute natural environment, do not be careless and restless, apologize for your mistakes, and do not annoy other people's, and always do good. So this is the moral lesson, and I just have written the few sentences for you. Now I'm gonna to explain you a very important part that is very interesting. I hope you all will like it. I'm erasing that one. I'm writing here one word. Please have a look on it. What is a fable? Do you have any idea about it? What is a fable? Yes, a fable is a story with animal characters. It gives us a moral lesson, but it's totally like it's not based on reality. So fable is a short story with animal characters, and the most important things, it is not based on reality. Got it? Now here you can see the most important like elements. What are the elements of a fable? I'm going to explain you. Number one, the elements I'm writing here, elements of the fable. What are the elements? What are the elements? Yes, the characters. Number one, the characters in which the story is moving around. Number two, action. action where the story takes place. Number 2 is the settings in which the action playing role, where the action takes place. Number 3 is the plot, the theme of the story in which the events are planned. This is called the plot. Number 4 is the conflict. A problem that a character has to face. And then number 5 is the resolution, solution of the conflict that arises in the story. Obviously, the moral of that specific lesson, the moral of the story. So students, look at this. I'm gonna again repeating you. The elements of a fable included characters, settings, plots, conflicts, and resolution. These all are making a complete fable, a complete moral story. So I hope you might have understanding. Now what you all need to do, students, on page number, look, yes, this is on page number 106. You can see it. On page number 6, you may see, recall the fable, the naughty monkey fell in the following mind map to organize your ideas. Here I am writing here the mind map of a fable. According to the story, the naughty monkey. There is the characters,